In this video, you will learn how to sell by hosting a domain. Log into your Hostinger account, sign into your Hostinger account using your username and your password. Unlock your domain. Go to the domain section, select your domain and turn off domain lock to enable transfers. Get an authorization code. Get an EPP code. In the domain settings, request the EPP or authorization code you need to transfer the domain. List your domain on the marketplace. Choose the domain marketplace to list your domain for sale. Create an account and add your domain listing. Set a price in the description. Determine a fair price. Write a clear title and description to attract different buyers. Complete the transfer after sale. After selling, provide the EPP code to the buyers or marketplace and confirm the domain transfer in your Hostinger account. Now you know how to sell my Hostinger domain. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.